Stan Gibilisco here. I just have a little promotion I'd like to make. I've made it before, but I'd like to make it again because it seems to be the best-selling of my books, according to Amazon.com. And a lot of you have referred to it when I've let you make comments at high risk. Maybe someday I'll explain my rationale behind when I include comments and when I don't, if I ever figure it out myself. But for now, that's not the point. The point is this book, not Teach Yourself. I forget the title. No, that's upside down. No, I got the back cover. I had it right the first time. Yes? Beginner's Guide to Reading Schematics, 4th edition. Copyright 2018 by McGraw-Hill. It's a short book, spiral bound, a couple of hundred pages. You can lay it flat on your workbench. That's why it's spiral bound. And I recommend, of course, the hard copy because you're going to want to have that thing around when you're working on equipment, building it, repairing it, maintaining it, inventing it, testing it, all that kind of thing. And you're probably going to have various tools, etc., that might not be too kind to a digital device. You should be able to get it directly from Amazon or any of the other major online booksellers, or you may even find it or order it through your local bookstore if there are any such things left. I don't know. I think we have a Barnes and Noble in Rapid City, but maybe now it's Books and Books and Books in a Million, or I don't know, some sort of useless drudgery pieces of paper, okay? Except for that one. Beginner's Guide, let me get it right now. Beginner's Guide to Reading Schematics. And that's exactly what it is. It's intended for beginners, not just in ham radio, but in all of electronics, audio electronics, digital electronics, all kinds of things. I am going to leave comments open, and the reason I'm going to do that is to let you make suggestions for what you'd like to see in a 5th edition if one ever comes out. If McGraw-Hill ever decides to publish one, and we don't know that at this point, it's only 1 year old. But if you have this book, what do you want to see in the next edition? And if you don't have it, for crying out loud, get it! And that's an order from Stan Gibilisco. Ham radio, call sign W1GV, Whiskey 1, Good Vibrations. Saying so long, which in ham radio jargon, in my native fist, always translates to da-da-da-da-da-da.